When I entered, I was really fascinated. The entrance was, I'm fond of plants, So when I see the entrance, full of plants, I was like, oh wow, amazed. So the beginning is brought a smile on my face. The every step which I was going, the every floor I was going through, it was bringing more and more smile on my face, and I was so amazed the way the Mahesh Foundation is doing a great work, and it is my pleasure to be here and go through this facility and see the amazing work which you people have done. So thank you for having me actually, rather than I think we have done a very small work, nothing, it is just nothing when I've visited this facility and when I'm roaming around looking at these kids and their encouragement to do something more in their life. And I heard that a lot of kids who has taken the education or who are part of this foundation has really done are also part of this activity now. It has just come in my mind that what I'll do after my retirement. I'll do this. Maybe I'm part of this organization. It's okay to come and stay in Bangalore or Karnataka. I'm happy to do that because the smiles and the career, the education, the skills which you people are getting are priceless, I always believe that we should upskill ourselves, It's an opportunity. Not everyone gets this opportunity. And if you people are getting this opportunity, please value it and make sure that you create a difference for your own self in your life. And I'd like to thank my organization. I like to see the smiles on the people, the people who are trying to do something for the society. I always felt, I also want to do something, and how should I do this? So I'm very thankful to Hapag Lloyd that they have the CSR activity, and they says, Shraddha, if you're interested, why don't you try to do something for the CSR activity? And I'm part of the CSR activity in Hapag Lloyd from last 3 years, and everywhere I'm amazed to do some activity for the society, and Mahesh Foundation is best of it. I'm really amazed that Hapag also has believed in the values. So for Hapag, the values is we care, we move, and we deliver. So when we say we care, it is not about the work we do in the office. It is caring about society. We also have the CSR activity, we have sustainability, So a lot of things we also want to do for the society, and this is something amazed me as well as a part of Hapag, that we are not just going to office, doing a work and coming back. We talk, we have a culture, how we can do more for the society and in every aspect. And I'm thankful again to see all of you here and giving me an opportunity to stand in front of you and say a few words. Thank you so much. Thank you.